There's crazy stuff happening out there in the market today. You best be sure to be on your top and your best game you've ever been on before in this crypto sector. With that being said, thank you for being here. Thank you for following my channel. If you haven't yet come to subscribe, please come and subscribe to my channel. You can see my last video kicked ass, and there was a cool amount of views on that video. So obviously I'm doing something right these days, and certainly appreciate your community love and your community energy with me. So with that being said, please go and like all of my social media channels too, and I would greatly appreciate that beautiful energy. And in the next day or two, I'll be launching another health video so that you can get familiar with health stuff too, and how important health things are in keeping your psychology, keeping your emotions, and keeping your mind in check throughout these times, these extraordinarily difficult times. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so first of all, I just want to let you know that today we have the Federal Reserve making an announcement on interest rates, and perhaps they're going to do a 0.75 basis points rate hike, and if they don't, then they'll definitely be doing a 0.5. So if they do a 0.5% basis hike, we're very likely going to see the market shoot up, because they've already priced in a 0.75% mark, and yeah, that's quite exciting. So we are definitely in a really good place right now from an investing perspective for the long term, not for the short term. If you're a trader, be careful. The volatility is crazy right now. You just need to know that the volatility is there. So, yep. So just know, is the bottom in? Raoul Pal, Scaramucci, Novogratz, Hayes, Saylor, they're all buying. Well, I'm going to put myself up there with those guys because I believe I'm up there with them already. Okay, not in terms of the quantity of capital they have right now, but certainly in terms of the mentality and the heart. And the same goes for Carl from the Moon, Crypto, and all of you beautiful souls out there who have been teaching and sharing with other people the most wonderful news possible and the most wonderful energy in this beautiful space. So thank you for being here with me. I do greatly appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up for me, please. I would really appreciate that too, because that definitely shares the video to a lot more people that need to be viewing things like this. So Bitcoin hasn't done what it's done right now in a very long time, okay? And it hasn't ever broken below the 200-day moving average on the weekly time frame. What does that mean? Well, what happens is we spike down and then we shoot back up. We spike down and we shoot. Right now, I would say that between this point and this point where we are right now, you can see here we're trying to retest the level that we broke down to yesterday. As you can see on the RSIs, we're a little bit oversold already. So the same would be on the 4-hour time frame, where we definitely are a little bit oversold. So just making sure to keep our clarity on track, because the volatility has been very difficult. So we've actually already broken that low. So quite interesting, if you can see that. And of course, this RSI is saying that we're down a little. We need to return down a little bit, but this one is saying that we need to go up. So let's go have a look on the weekly time frame, because we're definitely way oversold on the day and the weekly. And if you come and have a look here, there's the day. All of this battering and beating down. I mean, we've literally had one, and I said this to you guys in my previous video. I said over here, this is a candle. This is a candle, a hammer candle. It's reversing. It's not exactly a hammer, but it's a reversal candle. And we didn't break this high over there. So that was a signal already that we were going to drop and immediately right down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles already breaking lower. Like absolute crazy times. So I'm going to say to you that with the volume here and the volume that we've seen in the past 2 days, we are just waiting to hear what the Federal Reserve has to say today in their announcements so that we can see what's going on, to see whether it's been priced in or not, and then basically check this out. So this falling wedge, the long falling wedge, I said to you, boom. Sorry guys, my wonderful daughter's here in the back, and she's a little bit man down, and she's coughing a little bit, so just excuse that in the video. She's home with us for the past 3 days. That's been wonderful to have her here in our space. Let's get back to I digress, let's get back. So fall down here. I said to you this purple box is going to be the most important point of support. So my personal view, we could just spike quickly and pull back up and come back into this region where we currently are and find some support there. There has been a CME gap at the 28,000 level, so it was this level here when we broke down. So we are going to have to pull back up to that point at some point soon. We're way oversold, huge consolidation. Even if you look here, boom, we fall down and then we find some consolidation. So we fall down and we find some consolidation, and then hopefully we start to pick back up here at this point, because we are way oversold. The markets have been manipulated, and we've had a bunch of dick swinging, cash flinging people messing with people's money in the market. So, that's really not fun at all for a lot of people. A lot of people have been in the lunar scenario, and a lot of people have been hurt in the Celsius scenario, and clearly we have to be sharp and on form and on point always. So guys, we're in tough times right now. Throughout the market times, we've hugely pulled back, and I just want to give you an idea of where we have pulled to already in terms of a pull down in percentage. So let's go and have a look here. We're sitting at 70%. There's a potential for us to even go down between 9 and 10% more from where we are, which would, as I said, take us down to this kind of region. So 15 to 12,000. I mean, guys, let's just share this with you. This little point from here to here is nothing in comparison to what happens when you buy from here and you sell at here. But that's if you're trading. If you're hodling and building your portfolio, then you buy here and you never sell, just like Michael Saylor. So I want to take a look at before I finish here, on the weekly time frame, I just want to add in the 200 moving average for you here very, very quickly, because right now we're actually sitting under it. If my computer can just get right. 200. Let's just put the EMA, estimated moving average. Okay, let's go here. Let's plop this one on, actually. Okay, let's put that one on the chart for now, and let's go see. Oh, didn't work. Let's see if we can put that on. Okay, it's obviously not letting me. I'm gonna be buying the version soon so that I can actually get on these charts for you. But I'll post a picture on my Twitter feed of the 200 estimated moving average, so you can just have a look for yourself. But a lot of people are talking about that. So let's get on to Ethereum quickly. Ethereum is right now sitting at a very, very critical level. Guys, if Ethereum breaks this level here at the 1065, guys, I'm so sorry to say this, but we are literally going to free fall to about $500 on Ethereum. And I can tell you something, on this, I'll be selling my wife, I'll be selling my kid, I'll be selling my cars, my house, my clothes, anything and everything to put into this. No, I'm just kidding. I won't be selling everything, but I'll certainly find whatever it is that I can to be investing at these points. Don't sell your children. Don't sell your wife. That's not the right thing to do. but I just wanted to share with you. I'm trying to create some humor in my videos here for you guys. As you can see, we're extraordinarily oversold, and we're on our 12th weekly candle here on Ethereum down. This hasn't happened before for Ethereum. We are way oversold. So to be honest, there's not much support at this level. All the support is down here, but we are at a point where we're looking for a good reversal back up. So I have to say that to you because interest rate decision today and the announcement, what happens to the Fed, with the Fed, I have to say to you guys that the Fed have been lying to us for decades and centuries, and that makes us right now just know that we're at a critical point, because whatever the Fed says, you need to know that they're telling you the truth hidden in plain sight. However, they're trying to manipulate the market for their best interests. So this candle, again, is a hammer candle at the top of the dollar chart. Check it out. There needs to be a bit of a reversal, a bit of a breather here again. So who knows, might come back down to find some support again on this level and then continue back up. Who knows right now? But all I have to say to you guys is this has been a fun video. Thank you for being here with me today. I greatly and truly appreciate it. Let's wait and hear to see what happens today in the Federal Reserve minutes. And I will be doing an updated video for you later, right after that happens, so that we all know and we're all on track with trading. And if you haven't yet clicked the link below, pinned in the comments, then go and do so, and you can go and get yourself a $4,100 bonus if you are trading this wonderful volatility. But in the meantime, please know that you need to be safe out there and just hodl whatever it is that you can, because that's what matters more than anything else. Long-term vision, long-term sight. Love you guys. Thanks for being part of my community. Please hit that thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate you all to bits and pieces. Catch you later. Bye.